Leader, having fulfilled all the obligations of today, may you rise as the manager of the House to move that we adjourn sitting till 23rd of September for resumption.
Mr.
22nd, please.
Mr. Speaker.
22nd is Monday, it's 23rd, please. We don't resume on Monday, we resume on Tuesdays. 23rd, please.
Mr. Speaker, if you give me 1 minute, let me take a look at the other paper to be sure that we have exhausted all the work here. Will you give me that 1 minute? All right, to move that the House will adjourn to the 22nd of September, 23rd of September 2025 to continue the work of the House. And so forth.
Minority Leader, please.
Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, I second the motion for adjournment to 23rd of September 2025.
Those in support of this motion say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. Those in support that we adjourn till next September 23rd say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. Wow. even after staying till 5 o'clock, that shows patriotism. I'll ask it again. Those in support that we adjourn till 23rd September say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes will go and the nays will stay. The House is hereby adjourned till 23rd of September. Have a happy holidays and see you.